Hello, everyone! Do you want to boost your sales and get noticed on the marketplace? If yes, then this video is for you. An incomplete profile can reduce your visibility to buyers, so make sure your store looks professional and trustworthy. First, log in to the seller dashboard by clicking on the Seller Login button. On the dashboard, you'll see your profile score. In this example, it's 64%. The profile score helps maximize your visibility by keeping your profile information complete. Click on Complete Your Profile. Once the Manage Profile page opens, fill in any missing details. Add your Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube social links. Then set the minimum order amount, enter your Google Analytics ID, and add your return, shipping, and privacy policies. After entering all the details, click on the Save Profile button. When your profile is updated successfully, return to the dashboard. You'll see that your profile score has increased to 96%, meaning your profile is now fully complete. A complete profile increases your chances of appearing in search results, builds trust, and attracts more buyers. Complete your vendor profile today and grow your sales on Bagisto Multivendor Marketplace. Thanks for watching.